Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I have an exciting Nerf blaster to show you guys, and this is a 3D printed one. It's called the Lanka II and it's designed by Bruce Leedle. As you can see here, it says Leedle Dynamics. This is a very beefy pistol, as you can see. The form factor is really comfortable, as you can place your index finger here outside of the trigger guard, and then you can prime the weapon or cock the pistol like so. And notice that the slide group does not hit your index finger, which is nice. And as you can see here, I have already chambered around in, and I could squeeze off the trigger to fire off. And it is really powerful, considering that it has no hardware inside and is powered using this cord here. Now there's an interesting design factor which gives it the extra power. It allows a longer length of cord to be used. As you can see, there's a pulley here. So this is a step up from its predecessor, which is the Kelly. Kelly is pretty nice as well. It's a smaller form factor, but you have to watch out for the index finger, because if you just prime the weapon, your index finger is going to hit this plastic and it will snap right off. I passed it to my friend previously, and when he pulled this and his index finger get caught by this plastic, it snapped off the charging handle. There's a handle here which broke off. So now I have attached screws here, and I'm using the screws to prime this pistol instead. Yep, got to watch out for that. Yep. As you can see here, the cord is shorter without that pulley system, so it's not as powerful. Yep, but it's quite nice as well. Here's the size comparison. Another key difference that the Lanka II has over the Kelly is the magazine type. The magazine type that the Kelly uses is the Worker Nightingale, which is smaller. And the good news is, for the Lanka II, you can use the standard Worker Talent mag. So you could just use any magazine that you already have in your collection. And this one here is a Worker Banana mag, as you can see from the curve structure. In this shot, we have the Lanka II compared against a very popular pistol form blaster called the Fire Rat. Now the Fire Rat has real hardware inside. As you can see, here's a red metal barrel, and inside there's a metal plunger tube and a spring. So it's really neat and powerful. However, you need a lot more strength to prime this blaster. For a young kid, it's a pretty stiff prime. In comparison, the Lanka II has a very soft prime, which is suitable for kids. Thanks to the pulley system here, you can achieve a pretty high FPS with using a very soft prime. The prime is so soft and smooth, look at that. Now let's take a look at the actual FPS readings. And there you have it for the accuracy test. At 5.5 meters away with a small target, this stringer blaster is actually pretty accurate. It's pretty cool that it uses no hardware except for the elastic band. So I have for this video. I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you in the next one.